Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. We are diving into an important topic: how to transfer photos, videos from iPhone to any Mac. This method is undeniably the simplest and most efficient way to accomplish the task, and it is completely free. You won't even need to download anything extra. Moreover, this tutorial is up to date. So without further delay, let us get started. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll through the options and locate the Photos section. Tap on Photos to proceed. Once inside, continue scrolling down until you find the section labeled Transfer to Mac. It is important to ensure that the setting is configured to keep originals to ensure a seamless transfer process without any compression or alteration of your media files. This setting preserves the original quality of your photos and videos during the transfer to your Mac, maintaining their integrity and ensuring you have high-quality copies readily accessible on your computer. In addition to configuring the transfer preference on your iPhone, it is essential to ensure a secure connection between your iPhone and your computer using a genuine Apple Lightning cable. This specific type of cable is recommended for its reliability in data transfer. To verify the connection, number 1, make sure the Lightning cable is firmly plugged into an available USB or USB-C port on your computer. Number 2, ensure that the other end of the Lightning cable is securely connected to your iPhone. A stable connection is paramount for ensuring the smooth and uninterrupted transfer of photos and videos from your iPhone to your computer. This step-by-step approach not only facilitates efficient transfer but also ensures that your media files maintain their original quality throughout the process. By securely connecting your iPhone to your computer using a genuine Apple Lightning cable and confirming the settings on your iPhone for Keep Originals under Transfer to Mac, you can effectively manage and preserve your valuable photos and videos with confidence. This methodical approach minimizes the risk of data loss or alteration, guaranteeing that your digital memories are safely transferred and readily accessible on your Mac. During the transfer process, you may encounter a prompt on your iPhone asking you to trust the connected device. This step is crucial to ensure a stable and uninterrupted transfer of your photos and videos to your computer. To proceed, simply enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. This action establishes trust between your iPhone and computer, allowing for secure data exchange without interruptions. Ensuring that you respond to this prompt promptly helps maintain the integrity and reliability of the transfer, ensuring that your media files are safely and efficiently transferred to your Mac. Switching over to your Mac, you will want to access Image Capture, built-in software available on all Mac computers. To open it quickly, press Command plus Space to bring up Spotlight Search, then type Image Capture and hit Enter. Once Image Capture launches, you will see a list of devices on the left side of the window. Locate and click on your iPhone from the list. Almost immediately upon selecting your iPhone in Image Capture, the window will populate with thumbnails displaying all the photos and videos stored on your device. This streamlined interface enables you to effortlessly browse through and select the media files you wish to transfer to your Mac. Whether you are managing PNG screenshots, HEIC photos, or MOV or MP4 videos, Image Capture ensures that the transfer process maintains the original quality of your files. This efficiency not only simplifies the task of transferring media but also significantly enhances the overall management of your digital content. By preserving the integrity of your photos and videos, Image Capture facilitates seamless organization and backup directly onto your Mac. This ensures that your valuable memories and creative work are securely stored and readily accessible whenever you need them. The ability to maintain original quality during transfer means you can trust Image Capture to handle your media files with precision, whether they are PNG screenshots, high-resolution photos, or videos. This reliability fosters a smooth workflow, allowing you to focus on enjoying and utilizing your digital content without concerns about data loss or degradation. In essence, Image Capture serves as a reliable tool for efficiently managing and safeguarding your media library, providing peace of mind that your memories and important visual assets are well preserved and easily retrievable on your Mac. To facilitate the transfer of these media files to your Mac, follow these straightforward steps. Start by selecting the specific files you wish to import, whether they are PNG screenshots or files in other formats, simply by clicking on each one. If you need to select multiple files simultaneously, employ the familiar method of holding down the Shift key while clicking to select a range of items, similar to how you would in Finder. Once you have completed your selections, proceed by clicking on the prominent Import button. This action initiates and seamlessly facilitates the transfer process, ensuring that your chosen media files are swiftly transferred to your Mac while maintaining their original quality and integrity. During the import process using image capture on your Mac, you have the flexibility to specify the exact destination folder where your media files will be saved. By default, imported files are directed to the Pictures folder, but for your convenience, you can easily change this destination to another location such as the desktop or any other folder on your Mac. This customization ensures that your photos and videos, regardless of their format, such as PNG screenshots, HIC photos, MOV, or MP4 videos, are transferred and stored exactly where you prefer. Whether you are managing a collection of screenshots, capturing high-resolution photos with your iPhone's camera, or transferring videos, image capture preserves the original quality of your media files throughout the transfer process. This direct transfer method via USB cable guarantees that you retain the full resolution and fidelity of your images and videos, ensuring that the quality remains uncompromised without any compression or loss of detail. It serves as a reliable way to effectively manage and archive your media content from your iPhone to your Mac, ensuring that your photos and videos are readily accessible and organized according to your preferences. By maintaining the original quality of your media files during the transfer process, this method preserves the integrity of your digital assets. Whether you are transferring PNG screenshots, HEIC photos, or MOV or MP4 videos, you can trust that the direct USB connection between your iPhone and Mac facilitates a seamless transfer experience. This approach not only simplifies the task of organizing and storing your media, but also ensures that you have high-quality copies of your valuable memories and creative work readily available on your Mac for future use and reference. A crucial note to keep in mind is that image capture on your Mac will exclusively detect photos and videos stored in your iPhone's internal memory, excluding any content stored in iCloud. If you utilize iCloud photos, only a portion of your media may appear in image capture. To ensure access to all your iCloud stored media, I recommend watching video on downloading from iCloud. While it may seem inconvenient to use two methods, this approach guarantees that you can retrieve and manage all your media regardless of where they are stored. If you do not use iCloud photos, all your media will be directly accessible on your iPhone. In this case, you can proceed with the straightforward method outlined earlier without any additional steps. This ensures a seamless transfer process directly from your iPhone to your Mac, maintaining the simplicity and efficiency of managing your photos and videos locally on your devices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe online, and we hope to see you on our next video.